The Salesian province of Dimapur was erected on 8th of December 1981 after its bifurcation from the Salesian province of Guwahati. The new province is placed under the patronage of Saint Francis de Sales. From 1982 till July 2018, there have been 6 provincials. Father Matthew Pulingathil SDV, late Father Nedumala Skaria SDV, Father Palatingal Varghese SDV, Father Mulayankal Thomas SDV, late Father Punturuthil James SDV, Father Guria Nestor SDV. The current provincial, Reverend Father Kuruvachira Jose SDV, was installed on 5th of August 2018 by Reverend Father Kanaga Maria Arokiam, Regional Councillor for South Asia. The province of Dimapur consists of the northeast Indian states of Arunachal Pradesh, Upper Assam, Manipur, and Nagaland. While continuing the evangelizing and catechizing mission of Monsignor Luis Matthias and his 10 Salesians, who reached northeast India on 13th December 1922, the Salesians have often to travel on rugged roads and bridgeless rivers. The Salesians, who run 23 parishes, visit their communities regularly. Family visits too are done frequently. The sacraments of confession, Holy Eucharist, etc. are administered on a regular basis in parishes and in Salesian communities. Catechesis is done also through homilies and retreats. Well instructed and motivated catechists form the backbone of the missionaries. The Salesians love and promote the cultures of the people, like dances and music, both traditional and modern. Education has been an outstanding contribution of the Salesians to Northeast India. The Salesians of Dimapur province run 1 postgraduate college, 6 degree colleges, 19 high schools, 9 upper and lower primary schools. The schools and colleges in Dimapur province have produced rich dividends, like the Chief Justice of India, Sri Ranjan Gogoi, the Chief Minister of Assam, Sarvananda Sonowal, the Deputy CM of Arunachal Pradesh, Sri Chaumain, and the Higher and Technical Education, Nagaland, Mr. Temjen Imna Along, to mention a few. Sports and games, Scouts and Guides movements play an important part of the educational system in our province. Don Bosco non-formal vocational training centers at Third Mile, Rangajan, Aida DV Tech, DV Ideal Dimapur, Maram College Campus, etc. play important role in skilling underprivileged youth. Our Don Bosco youth centers too have done much good to the local youth and have created national repose, as the director of Don Bosco Youth Center Itanagar, Father P.C. Syriac SDV, was given national award from Indian Central Minister Sri Rajnath Singh. Holy life and meaningful service require sound formation. Our apostolic schools at Dibrugarh and Zubza, aspiranted at Jorhat, pre-novitiate at Amguri, and especially at Salesian Novitiate Zubza and post-novitiate Salesian College in Dimapur, are trying to give all-round Salesian formation. Soon the 11 new priests of 2019-2020 will join the Salesians and the Salesian family members in translating Don Bosco's dream in this part of the globe.